The strongest layouts make complex information feel simple and easy to understand. Today, how to create organized storytelling frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a soft gray background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 4 rectangular frames and arrange them in a flowing sequence across the canvas. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully so the narrative progresses smoothly. Increase the size of the second frame slightly to create a focal point. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and reduce their opacity to keep them understated. Apply soft shadows and lower